Hey guys, today we're going to show you guys 3 tips on how to detail your interior in 5 minutes or less. Before we get into tip number 1, the first thing that we recommend doing is getting all the owner's belongings and putting them away nicely secure in a bag and put it in the trunk. That way it doesn't get in your way whenever it comes to detailing your interior. After all, nobody wants to be cleaning their interior when there's all kinds of things lingering inside the cup holders. You're not going to have full access to achieve that ultimate deep clean. So get rid of all that stuff, put it to the side, and have open access to every part of the vehicle. Tip number 1, we're going to go ahead and start off with vacuuming the entire interior. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum all the carpets and floor mats. Vacuuming your interior is super easy, it's super fast, it doesn't require any kind of chemicals or brushes or anything like that. All you need is your vacuum. It's going to pick up all the fine debris, all the crumbs, all the food that's lingering on your carpets. Vacuuming your interior in general is a very fast and easy way to transform the look of your interior in just a matter of minutes. Nobody wants to step into your interior knowing that there's all kinds of cookie crumbs and all kinds of french fries lingering around. Vacuuming your interior may seem like a pretty straightforward thing to do on your vehicle, but there are a few things that you can do to actually achieve that ultimate clean. Some of them would be moving the seat, so you can go ahead and push it forward, push it back, that way you can get underneath the seat as well. You can also recline the seat so that you can get into that nice little crack in between the bottom and the top of the seat, and you can also utilize the different attachments that your vacuum has. For example, you can use the wide one to cover large spaces, and then you can use the long thin one to get into areas that you can't necessarily reach. Tip number 2, the fastest and easiest way to clean your interior from dirt, debris, and grime on a multitude of surfaces is with our Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant wipes. These make cleaning fast, fun, and easy, so you can go ahead and easily pull a wipe out and start wiping down a variety of surfaces, whether it be your dashboard, your door panels, your steering wheel, your navigation screen. These wipes work extremely great on all those surfaces, and it also leaves behind a nice little layer of UV protection to shield your interior surfaces from those harsh UV rays to prevent drying, cracking, and fading. I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to use them. So I accidentally pulled out 2. That's okay, because we're gonna go ahead and use that one anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and use this wipe here, and we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the dashboard. Now the dashboard, I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but it's extremely dusty. The owner of this vehicle does like to roll around with the windows down like he's cruising down PCH. So that's completely fine. We have these Total Interior wipes to easily allow us to collect all this dirt, dust, and grime without us having to pull out the cleaner and a microfiber towel. You can keep these in your ride at all times for fast and easy cleaning and in case of any detailing emergency. One of my personal favorite things about these wipes is that they're extremely flexible, so you can go ahead and easily get into hard to reach areas and crevices like the AC vents with no problems. And like I mentioned once before, these wipes are great for cleaning virtually all interior surfaces. Right here, you see me using it on navigation screens. Yes, guys, this thing does work great on navigation screens. Not only does it clean it from all the fingerprints and all the dust that collects on here, but it also shields it with a nice little layer of UV protection, so that way it doesn't get all dry and cracked up. Alright guys, and now that we are completely done cleaning the interior with our Total Interior wipes, now I'm going to show you guys the newest member in the wipes family, which is going to be our VRP Vinyl Rubber and Plastic Protectant wipes. Now a lot of you guys already may be familiar with our traditional VRP cream, which can be used on interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim, and now we offer it in the convenience of an easy to use and disposable wipe. And same thing as the Total Interior wipes, all you have to do is open up the flap, pull out a wipe, and get to work wiping down your interior. If you guys aren't familiar with our VRP product, VRP is one of our most popular products because it's a dressing that conditions vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. So it conditions it to a nice high gloss shine. It also provides it with durable UV protection, especially for surfaces like your dashboards, your door panels, and anything that you can think of that you can put this on to protect it from those harsh UV rays. I'm going to show you guys right now just how easy it is to use these all new VRP wipes and the amazing shine that you can achieve on your interior surfaces. So first things first, I'm going to grab some tape and I'm going to mask off a 50-50 right here. That way we can see a nice hard difference between the side that's treated with VRP and the side that is just clean and doesn't have any conditioner whatsoever. So right here I have my VRP wipes and I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to the surface. Now VRP is great because you can apply it on virtually all vinyl, rubber, and plastic interior surfaces. So things like your dashboard, door panels, center consoles, vinyl seats, trim, and so much more. And as you guys can see right here, it's already looking incredible. You can already see a huge difference in terms of shine. It also adds depth, so you can have a much more darker look. And if you guys' interior is all dried out, you can apply this to go ahead and bring back that original look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off right now, and check that out, you guys. Beautiful, crisp, high gloss shine. Not only does it look great, but it's also protected. And last but not least, it's a fully dry to the touch formula. So it's not greasy, it's not oily. And one of the great things about this product is that you can actually control the level of shine. If you want to go ahead and keep it and you love this high shine look, if you don't, if you want to have more of a subtle shine, you can also just simply wipe it down with the microfiber towel, tone down the shine, and really achieve that level of shine that you're looking for your own interior. Another great thing about these wipes is that you can actually use them to remove light dust and debris on interior surfaces. So just like this little section that I missed right here, underneath the headrest, I can actually go ahead and simply wipe it down with their VRP wipes to collect and pick up that dust that's sitting on there and condition, shine, and protect the surface all in one single step. So as you can imagine, this product, it's a very convenient and easy to use product. You can take it with you anytime, detail your ride anywhere, and look how easy it is to do so. And just like that, you can achieve incredible results on your seats. As you guys can see right here, this is a vinyl material seat. It's not leather, it's actually more of a synthetic leather. So you can clearly see just how much more different the side that we condition with the VRP wipes looks versus something that has not been treated with anything whatsoever. And one of the greatest things about these wipes is that they come in this resealable bag. So you can go ahead and store them in your ride. You can keep them on your door panels, your glove box, your center console, or anywhere where they fit. Go ahead and just store them in there very nicely and have them ready in any kind of detailing emergency or whenever you have some spare time to detail your ride. So right here, what I'm gonna do is just finish off doing the door. And then one last thing to note for you guys is you can actually use these wipes on exterior surfaces if you would like. You can actually use them on vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces, such as door seals, exterior trim, and so much more. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. And if you guys wanna pick up your very own pack of VRP wipes, you can do so directly on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can swing by your local detail garage store. And if you guys thought that I was gonna end this video without showing you guys epic 50/50, well, you're wrong, because I'm gonna show you guys just how amazing it looks right now. Check that out. Beautiful.